Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will explain you why your benefits by WEX app is showing unable to establish a connection. So let's get started. So let's open our WEX app. So here you can see it, the WEX app from here. So here you have to go and you have to turn on your GPS. When you will just turn on your GPS, it will open the nearest gas station and other things. If you see on your map from here, as you can see, or you can just search the nearby area. Okay, just current location, there is no gas station. If you see for charges, you can see your charge point, service and many other things. So if it's showing the lost connection, it means you have to have a good internet speed and your GPS location app on, then it will be fixed. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.